Hey, let me show you how you can connect wired headphones into your Realme 12 5G, and we can actually use two pair of the headphones. We can use jack headphones and the USB-C headphones. So first of all, the jack is located right here at the bottom and we have to plug it here. And next, when you take a look on the phone, when you just simply open the phone and open this notification panel, you will find this information. Let's do this one more time. Let's connect. So now, as you can see, you can find this information that the headphones are connected, because we can find this headphones icon on the left upper corner. And the second way, we have to grab the second pair of the headphones, input them just right here into the USB-C port, and now we can find the same information. So that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.